Today I am here to explain about this question. Find the midpoint of the segment joining 7, negative 2 and negative 1, 4. First, let me plot these points in xy coordinates. Here, xy. And 7, negative 2 is here. And negative 1, 4 is here. Then you have to find the midpoint of these 2 points. Which is here. Then you have to find the x value and y value of this red point. How can you find it? What I would do is first I sketch a triangle here. That's because anyway you have to find x value and y value of this red point. I mean, you have to find the x value here and also y value here. You know what I mean? Okay, then first let's work on the x value of this blue point. This one is x-axis and the blue point. Let me just pick it up here. Blue point. And the right side, the point on the right side is 7. And the x value of left side is negative 1. Actually, the blue point separates these equally. So blue point divided this line into 2 parts equally. So the length here and length here is same. And length here is, you can just calculate it. It's from negative 1 to 8, which is 8. So it's going to be 4 and 4. So you can just simply calculate like 7 negative 4, which is 3. You can calculate it like that, or you can use midpoint formula, which is you can just simply add the value of this point, negative 1 plus 7, and you divide by 2. Then you can find the value here. Similarly, you can find y value, the y value of this green point. Let's pick it up here. The green point. On the top side, the y value of the top side is 4, and the bottom is negative 2. So again, the length from here to here is 6. So it's going to be 3 and 3. So you can just easily for negative 3, and you can just find the point, the value, which is 1. Or again, you can use midpoint formula, which is you can just add both for negative 2 and divide by 2, which is 2 over 2 is 1. So y value is here and x value is 3, like that. Let's work on one more question. Let's say to midpoint of negative 1, 3, and negative 4 and 7. How do you find it? So first, I 100% recommend you to sketch the graph. sketch the diagram. -1 and 3 here, and -4. Actually, we don't need this part here. -4 and 7. You have to find the midpoint here. So like I said, I would totally recommend you right triangle here. Then x value is -1, -4. So it's going to be -1, -4 over 2. And also 3 plus 7 over 2, which is -5 over 2, comma 10 over 2, which is 5. That's it. So again, let me summarize it. What you have to do is you plot a point in xy coordinate, and you sketch a triangle. Then you find the x value. You have to see them vertically and horizontally. Then you have to find the x value of here, and also y value of here. If you use midterm formula, you can easily find the midpoints, the value of midpoints. That's all.